Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novrianti Rukha Nanda from class 3B English Education, Win Sultan Toha Saifuddin Jambi. In this video, I'd like to talk about Indonesia's rainforests. Indonesia's rainforests are one of Earth's most biological and culturally rich landscapes. The world's largest archipelago, Indonesia consists of almost 1,800 islands spanning between the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Indonesia has one of the highest deforestation rates in the world, and just under half of the country's original forest cover now remains. Although estimates vary widely, conservative studies suggest more than 1 million hectares, all about 2.4 million acres, of Indonesian rainforest is cleared and lost each year, with about 70% occurring in forests on mineral soils and 30% on carbon-rich peatland forests. Indonesia has skyrocketing environmental and social problems resulting from all of this forest clearing. And too many unique species like the Javan tiger are already extinct, and many others like the orangutan and gravelly threatened. Burning to clear rainforest is widespread, emitting a thin haze of smoke that shuts down regional air traffic and provokes public health alerts in urban areas hundreds of miles away. Growing corporate control of land is responsible for serious human rights abuses and persistent conflict between companies and local communities. Continued clearing of natural forests and drainage of peatland is creating serious economic loss as well. Indonesia's standing forests provide innumerable services, most of which have been poorly valued economically and are only just starting to be appreciated. Rainforest Action Network is working with Indonesian partners to change the policies and practices of the agribusiness in palm and paper sectors to end their contribution to this destruction. RAIN works to help create conditions where community rights and land nature are respected and upheld, and to support implementation of low carbon, ecological, sustainable, and equitable development. So that's all my opinion about the rainforest Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.